Hi everyone, so today we'll be going to discuss about 40 deep SEO insights. Now these are really deep. So chapter number 1, so page rank increases its prominence for weighted sources. Yes, if the weight of the keyword is higher, then page rank does increases. If you want to prevent, then you need to follow G5, where you need to control the modularity. Indexing and relevance threshold will increase. Yes, if the relevance is higher, then there will be high chance of indexing. The easier way to solve this is to make sure that you optimize your crawl budget and index bloating. AI and automation filters should be created. Like Google, like more than 500 articles. Like, to be honest, there are millions of articles that are being circulated on copied version on Google every single day. So Google needs to filter that, and in order to prevent, Google does uses a lot of NLP driven information retrieval techniques. One of them is bag of words, for which we have a separate video on the same. Google will definitely filter out for the spam as well, so that is for sure. So Google would be using authors vectors for author recognition, because anyone from a good author source would be given more prioritized. Same for the micro semantics, because this would be the next big game as a part of topic modeling, where LLMs would be created. And as a part of advanced semantics, the intent satisfaction and the cost of retrieval will be the base concept of the SEOs. And we do have a separate video on cost of retrieval, so I would recommend to see that as well. And then there is the semantic content networks and vocabulary richness, where there are various concepts like semantic proximity or latent dirichlet's allocation, which can help to understand if the content is fresh or not. So Google can really decide a lot of factors by focusing on these particular things. And apart from all of this thing, there are some exceeding thresholds with more spam. So if you do more spam, then the spam brain algorithm can make you non-relevant and non-responsive. So you would not have the chance of discoverability. And also you need to understand the value of passage indexing, because passage indexing can make your brand stand out in the crowd. NLPs will be the benchmark. Basic NLP rules for content similarity or relevancy prediction will be higher response time. Yes, your site should provide immediate response time, such as time to first byte. This would become more important. Luxurious brand, if you are brand savvy, you will definitely be rewarded. Branded keywords would be given attention. Knowledge graph, yes, you should have a social proof, that is important as well. And topical authority, you need to follow topical authority for the SEO, because that can give you the limelight of the proper co-occurrences in your particular field. And last but not the least, I would say that there would be more algorithms in coming day. So focusing on voice search or unique visuals or 3D images, or focusing on EAT would be the next big factor. And fight against the content decay should be your key priority, because unuseful content should be eliminated for no matter what. So there should not be any information gap. The query, if there is a query demand, your content should stand out in the crowd. Thanks for watching.